Hello everyone, and welcome to this problem-solving session. Today, we're solving a Codeforces problem, die roll, problem number 9a. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more programming tutorials, and let's dive right in. The problem is straightforward. You are given the results of 2 dice rolls, and your task is to calculate the probability of rolling a number greater than or equal to the higher of these 2 results in a single future dice roll. The answer should be expressed as a fraction in its simplest form. Let's go step by step to solve it. First, the problem gives us 2 integers, y and w, representing the numbers rolled on 2 dice. From these values, we calculate the highest number between the 2, because we are interested in the probability of rolling a number equal to or higher than the larger value of y and w. Once we know the maximum number, we subtract it from 7 to calculate the number of favorable outcomes. Subtracting from 7 works because the dice can roll numbers from 1 to 6, and 7, max, y, w, tells us how many numbers are equal to or greater than max, y, w. The next step is simplifying this fraction. For that, we calculate the greatest common divisor, GCD, of the numerator and denominator and divide both by the GCD to get the simplest form of the fraction. Now let's take a look at the Python solution. Here's the code. Let's break it down. 1. The input function reads 2 integers separated by a space. We use map, int, input, split, to split and convert them to integers. 2 max, y, w, determines the largest of the 2 numbers. 3. 7 minus max, y, w, calculates the number of favorable outcomes. 4. The math.gcd function computes the greatest common divisor of the numerator and denominator. 5. Finally, we divide the numerator and denominator by their GCD to simplify the fraction. For example, if the input is 2, 5, the maximum value is 5. So, the number of favorable outcomes is 7, 5 equals 2. The fraction is 2/6. The GCD of 2 and 6 is 2, so the simplified fraction is 1/3. The program will output 1/3. And that's it. This is a straightforward implementation that solves the problem in just a few lines of code. Remember, the code will be in a comment under the video, so feel free to copy and try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.